Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pinoy Galaan and I am a Filipino living in Turkey. So there are a lots of places that you will be able to enjoy during your visit in Turkey. Just like this, we join a safari visiting 11 places in this region of Turkey. Look at that. And it was fun. We enjoy a lot of activities on board and even going to some places like I couldn't imagine that this place is really existing, and I never heard about this place before as well. So this time we're going to Cleopatra Beach, which is the sand of the beach is originally from Egypt. You know, such a beautiful such a beautiful story during the time of Cleopatra and Julius Caesar. So, traveling is one of my favorite things to do. Why not? You know, if you were able to travel, do it, guys, because that's the only thing that somehow will open our minds to new life's perspective. Perhaps you don't have to agree with that. So sometimes in summer, one of the best things that I really enjoy is the sunset. Of course, the sea, but sunset is something very special for me. Sunset, which is, I believe, a kiss of good night from the sun and the sign of the new day. So we're about to go in one place, and after that, we'll go down for dinner. So summer is really awesome in Turkey. The food is magnific. The taste is super. The people, the culture, you know, the arts, and almost everything. I love almost everything. So this one is one of my favorite destination. This place called Kash. It has a really long history. And in this place as well, you'll be able to find a sunken Kikoba, which has a lot of people from many places are coming to go and dive in this sea to see the past, because there is a city under this sea, if I'm not mistaken. So if you're planning to visit Turkey, let me know.